Hello guys, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Kaka Elias with Mama. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute birthday card. So at first we have to take a paper and fold it. Basically this is a house, and now I'm drawing the door of the house, and now I'm writing the happy birthday here. So this is basically a house theme card where if you open the door then you can see some writings, and someone will bring a cake for you for your birthday. So I'm writing here happy birthday. Now I'm bordering the writing using a gel pen, and now draw some flowers here. So now I'm coloring the happy birthday writing. You can use any color as you wish. So after that I'll color the flowers. So I have used here red, yellow and orange color. Now I'll cut the door of this card in this way. You can see this is very easy and so unique. So now I will draw the kitty which will bring the cake from the house and say a wish. So you can see now got the kitty, and now take a piece of paper in this way and fold one side of the paper. Now use glue here and stick it with the door of this house. So now glue the kitty here. Now I am writing here many returns of the day. I will write here, but at first before that I will glue the house in this way. You can understand the process by watching it very carefully. So now I'm writing the message, so you can see how it will work. Now put the kitty inside the house in this way. Now I'm decorating the door. Now I'm drawing the rooftop of the house using a scale and cut the extra part. So then now I'm decorating the rooftop also, and I have wrote here open in the door. So I colored it using brown color, and I bordered the house using orange color. So it's done. You can see how easy it is and how unique it is. So when you open the door, a kitty will come out saying many returns of the day. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.